Now next topic under this is conversion of infix in expression into postfix. This is the expression given which we have to convert it into postfix form. Before conversion, we should know the precedence order. Precedence order is at first brackets, second exponent, third asterisk or division, reading from left to right, whichever comes first we will evaluate that, and fourth plus or minus. These both operators are at same precedence order. That means either we encounter with slash first or asterisk first, we will evaluate that. If we encounter plus or minus, anything reading from left to right, whichever first we will encounter, we will evaluate that. Now I'll show it in this example. A plus B asterisk C minus D slash E exponent F asterisk G asterisk H. First is what? Bracket. That means first we will solve this bracket using precedence order of these operators. So we will write A plus, we will write it as it is as asterisk C minus D, whose precedence order is higher. Exponent is having highest precedence order. So D slash E. Postfix means what? Postfix means operator will come after the operand. So F and this operator comes after the operand F. Now, is this evaluated? No. Still one operator is left. We'll write rest of the expression as it is as, and in next step we will solve this. B asterisk C minus. Now we'll consider this as one operand and this as another operand. So D, E, F exponent. Now where it will come? It will come after this. Here it will come. Asterisk G asterisk H. Now is any other operator or operand left? No. We covered it. That means we will remove this bracket. Now we will solve next bracket. Which is the next bracket? This is the next bracket. So A plus B asterisk. Next is asterisk. It is having higher precedence instead of minus. So C asterisk. Minus will be here only. We will write it as it is as, and if we consider this as one operand, as this as one operand, then this is the operator. Again it is asterisk. So G asterisk, because it is postfix expression. So operand will come here, operand will come here, and operator will move here. We solved each and every operator? No. Still this operator is left. So A plus B C. Now what we will do? We will left with this operator. We will consider it as one operand and we will consider it as second operand. So BC asterisk we will write as it is as. Then we will write second operand D E F exponent slash G asterisk, and this operator will move here. Asterisk H. Is any other operator left? No. We solved each and every operator. That means we will remove this bracket. Now no bracket is left. That means we will solve this whole expression. In this we evaluated it. That means this is one operand. This is one operand. This is second operand, and this is third operand. Now reading from left to right, whose operator is having, which operator is having highest precedence? Asterisk is having higher precedence. Plus is in fourth position and asterisk is in which position? In third position. So I told you, reading from left to right, which we will first evaluate the operator of higher precedence. So plus BC asterisk D E F exponent slash G asterisk minus. We will write this operand as it is as and then H, and we will shift this operator here. Got it? Now this will become one operand and this will become one operand. We left only with this operator. We'll shift it here. So our final expression will be ABC asterisk D E F exponent slash G asterisk minus H asterisk plus. This is our final answer after converting this infix expression into postfix form. This is how we'll solve using the precedence